Today's notes are continuing on the properties of logs. This time we will be talking about condensing and the change of base formula. Please try the warm-up on your own and then look at the example below. Today we're going to be talking about condensing logarithmic expressions. So to do this, we will be using the properties to combine each log to be written as a single log, remembering that all of the coefficients are going to become exponents. Since that was the last step when we expanded logs, it'll be the first step when we're condensing logs. So I'm going to start by moving all of the coefficients to become exponents. So we get log base 3 of 7 squared minus log base 3 of x to the fifth. Then I can combine these together using the quotient property. We get log base 3 of 7 squared divided by x to the fifth. And the last thing I'm going to do to simplify this is to actually complete 7 squared, which will give me 49 over x to the fifth. Next, let's look at example B. Again, my first step is going to be to change any coefficients into exponents. So we have just 1 this time. Then I'm going to be working from left to right to simplify these. So first I'm going to change this to be the natural log of 4x cubed using the product property minus the natural log of 7x. Then the quotient property is going to change this to be, this should be a 4x cubed. For x cubed over 7x, and then because there's an x in both the numerator and the denominator, the 1 in the denominator cancels out with 1 in the numerator, leaving me with 4x squared over 7 as a final answer. Please try and complete examples C and D on your own, and then take a look at the next page for the change of base formula. Logs with any base other than 10 or e can be rewritten in terms of the common or natural logs using the change of base formula. Let u, b, and c be positive numbers with b and c not equal to 1. Log base c of u can be rewritten as log base b of u over log base b of c. Using the common log or natural log, we can rewrite it as log of u over log of c, which will allow us to evaluate it in our calculators. So for example 2a, we're going to use the change of base formula and then our calculator to round to 3 decimal places. So we get the common log of 8 over log of 4. And now that they're the common log with base 10, we can type this in our calculator. Log of 8 divided by log of 4 should give you a final answer of 1.5. You're going to do the same thing with log base 6 of 15. You can rewrite this as the common log, log 15 over log of 6, which will then allow you to type this into your calculator. You should, when you're done, get an answer of approximately 1.511. See if you can complete C and D on your own. We will talk about them in class.